Hi guys, today I'm really excited because I just received this folding handheld fan for living purposes, and I think that it's perfect because summertime is coming up, and I think that a handheld fan like this can be really helpful to cool down on those really hot days, which I think that it's really great because of its size and how you can adjust it. It just is a USB Type C charging cable that comes included. Okay, we have also the manual with all important information about it. Get a strap if we want to hang it up, and the proper main unit. As you can see, it's really nice size. It's a color black, and I think that it looks perfect. In this side, we can open it up, and we have the USB Type C port where we can use the cable that comes included to charge it up, which I think that it's excellent. Also, in both of the side, we have a little space where we could use the lanyard that comes included, so that we can hang it around, place it somewhere specifically, and I think that it's nice because we'll just a touch of one button, we can turn it on. As you can see, we have a screen in here with the information. This is the battery power that has left right now. As you can see, it's 89% of the battery. We can change the speed. Now it's on 40%, 60%, 80, and 100. It's quite nice. As I've said, it's just really easy to control, and you can just have it around, place it in a space if you want it. You can have it angled or completely flat like this, hang it around, use it wherever you need it, or just have it directly in your hand. Just place like this. You can set it up wherever you need it so that you can have the airflow that you need, which I think that it's really nice. You can set it up kind of like this, being working around, doing all your regular stuff, and have air inside. You can also set it up in a high level surface like this. Just have it around like that, and I think that it's really nice. By its size, I think that it's perfect. It has a really powerful motor, and it doesn't take that much battery. As you can see, it has a long-lasting battery, perfect for any kind of usage that you want. Which I think that it's perfect. Then it has different speeds and everything. So overall, I think that it's really nice. You can have it anywhere that you need it, in a trip, in your car, or wherever you need it. And I think that's perfect for anytime you want to use it. So overall, I think that it's great, and I will really recommend it. See you guys.